Hey, what's up, guys? How are you? Hope you're fine. Now, welcome back to another video. So, in this video, I'm talking about the baby Dogecoin hoarders day. Absolutely, my friends. Now you understand that today the Dogecoin price change is negative. So, why we are in it's our day, my friends. But you know what? After a falls, the price will pump. That's rules of the cryptocurrencies market. And now absolutely this time the price of the baby Dogecoin is going in the dumps 4.19%. The price decrease and 0.1966 cents is the current price of the Dogecoin in the market. And furthermore, my friends, if we talk about the more updates about baby Dogecoin, so now today, just I'm talking about today a changes is going wrong, but I hope, my friends, you can see here that absolutely Baby Dogecoin taken a huge pump in May, but unfortunately after May the price dumps. I think from the last 2 months the price is continuously going in the loss. But now, my friends, after 2 months, so I think it's necessary for Dogecoin to take a jump. And my prediction, technical analysis is going positive, and I believe that possibilities, my friends, that in the August the price will explode, the price will increase, and they give you profit. You can see, my friends, that is just the 24 hours update, and you can see here, as I told you in the start of this video, 24 hours trading volume is also decreased 22.86%. The trading volume decrease, and same like that here, the market cap is also going to decrease 4.34%. The market cap is only fully diluted market cap is positive 13.52%, my friends. So, my friends, now on the basis of these technical analysis, on the basis of these updates, I believe that tomorrow the price will pump, and this fast is good for all of you, my friends, because now the price of the baby Dogecoin is going low. You can see, my friends, the price is fast down from 20 to 19 USD dollar. So now I think that it's opportunity for all of you to buy more and more Dogecoin and make a huge amount of profit in the last of August. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.